how to create API key in Google AI Studio. So as you can see, this is how to do it. Let me show you step by step how to go by it. So all that you have to do is simply go to Google AI Studio. Okay, and then from the top right hand corner, you see that we have get API keys. Just come and then click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the API keys. Okay, and then in front of it, you are going to see we have create API key. Just come and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here. Okay, and then all that you have to do is just put the mouse in the search. It's going to come to Gemini API key. Come and click on it, and then when you click on it, you have the option to come and then create API key in existing project. Click on it, and then that is it. Your API key is going to be generated for you. So this is it, and then you can come and click on copy. Don't share it with anybody. It's your secret password. So when you scroll down, you will see that all your generated API key are listed below, just like this one. Okay, the project name, the API key. So to get it, simply come and then put the mouse on it and then click on it, and it's going to show you a generated API key, and then you can copy it. So this is how to do it. Like the video and then see you in my next video.